Okay, kids, so today you are going to build your sculpture. All right, now we know that our pieces, if you cut them apart, they are flat, which means they are two-dimensional. We want to get it to the point where it's three-dimensional. So you've got this piece of paper here with these numbers on it that match the numbers on your strips. What you're going to do first is you're going to find number 1. And you are going to put some glue at the top of number 1 on here, and then I want you to try putting some glue in the middle and then some at the end. Okay, like that. You're going to take number 1, you're going to line it up with the edge of the paper and the lines that I drew for you, and you're going to stick it on at the top. Then you're going to bend number 1 a little and stick it onto the glue in the middle until it sticks and it's set. And then you're going to bend it again to line it up at the bottom. You're going to hold on to it and give it a good push. Okay, try and keep it nice and straight, or the rest of these will not fit onto your paper. Okay, and look at that. Again, you got to hold on to it until that glue sets, or it won't work. So I'm pushing down on this part because the glue wasn't sticking properly. And you can see here how this works. So then I'm going to move to number 2. And I'm going to put glue at the top of number 2, good amount. And then I'm going to pick somewhere else to try and put the glue, maybe right there. And then at the bottom, and try not to get the glue onto your other piece. You can see I got a little sloppy there and I was in a rush. Not good. So I'm going to go through my little strips here and find number 2. And I'm going to make sure they match each other. And they do. All right. So then you start at the top and you're going to bump number 2 right into number 1 up here. Right there. And then you're going to bend this however much you want and stick it onto the second part of the glue. Hold until it sets, keeping it right against the one you just finished. And then put your last part on, making sure that it bumps right against the one you just finished, so they're nice and even. And there you go. See how number 2 is a little bit different than number 1. Huh? Especially see it here. Right? You want to keep doing this for each strip, but you always start at the top, and then you pick where you want to put glue in the other 2 places. We always start at the top and finish at the bottom. So it's this one that moves around. Okay? And you're just going to keep working that all the way across so that they're all a little bit different. And that's it.